In a big change, Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's top legal officer, says that the SAC lawsuit might soon be over. With the SAC's submission of a redacted reply about remedies, Alderoty is optimistic, which shows that Ripple is close to ending the legal fight. Although the case is almost over, Alderoty points out that other crypto businesses have started legal fights against the SAC, which is a bad sign as Ripple's multi-year legal saga comes to a close. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Now let's begin, and now we're going to start with some research. It's important to note that XRP is not yet positive. Closed the week above the blue support level of 54 cents, the white dots that make up the 21st moving average, 61 cents, 70 cents in the moon. It's been a bearish week if the price stays below 50 cents. Just cry. Now, for some exciting news, a Wall Street analyst says that the current low price of XRP might not last long because once it goes up, there will be no going back. According to Wall Street analyst Linda Jones, the current low price of XRP could be its last time seeing prices this low. She says that once it starts to rise, there will be no going back. Robinhood's SAC Wells notice didn't come as a surprise, and it's part of a larger SAC massacre. Due to the SAC case, the price of XRP has been pushed down for many people in the last few years. A lot of people have made fun of the US, and every day some maximalist makes fun of Ripple and XRP. But our time will come, so remember this quote from Stuart Alderoty. We are now closer than ever to ending this lawsuit, which is good news, but it's also bad that many people are just beginning their trip. Stuart Alderoty said that Ripple is going to end the case with SAC soon. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, is hopeful that the company is getting closer to the end of the SAC's case. He said this soon after the SAC made its response to Ripple's objection to reduced remedies public, along with briefs in support of it. According to Alderoty, the SAC's answer gets Ripple one step closer to ending the lawsuit. At the same time, Alderoty said that while Ripple's case against SAC is almost over, it is too bad that other crypto companies are just starting their own legal battles against the government agency. The multi-year court battle is almost over. For those who don't know, the SAC's lawsuit against Ripple began in December 2020 when the regulator said the payments company was breaking US securities laws by selling XRP without being listed as a security. The court battle was very bad for Ripple's business and the cryptocurrency XRP that it works with, especially in the US. While Ripple changed its business plan to focus on clients outside of the US, XRP was taken off of several trading platforms in the US, such as Coinbase and Kraken. It's interesting that these companies changed their minds and let the coin go after Judge, and Elisa Torres said that XRP programmatic sales were not investment contracts. And the case is still going on after almost 3.5 years. Still, the SAC's final answer gets Ripple one step closer to the end of the long legal battle that has been going on for years. After hearing back from the SAC, Judge Torres will set a date to give the final decision. The decision could come out at any time, but Ashley Prosper, an expert in Obra crypto, thinks it will be between July and September. Ripple is almost done with its battle, but companies tied to Obra crypto such as Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are just beginning theirs. The SAC has also sent a wealth warning to Ethereum and Robinhood, which makes it look like they are about to be enforced. Ripple flames SAC's answer. At the same time, Alderoty criticized the SAC for its response to the solution and said that the regulator was trying to trick the judge by not following the law correctly. Even so, the Ripple believes that the judge will be fair and unbiased in her decision. In other words, did SAC take a shot at other foreign financial authorities? Alderoty added that the SAC didn't take into account other foreign financial regulators in its most recent filing. The Ripple also said that the SAC thought that the crypto licenses that these foreign regulators gave out were no different from phishing licenses, as he sent along an expert from the SAC's reply brief that showed how the SAC made the statement in a roundabout way. In this case, Ripple used the licenses it got from other places to support its claim that it has no plans to break US securities rules in the future. The SAC's answer was like telling the New York restaurant it needs to get a booze store license because it already had a fishing license in California. Coming up next, the Ripple CTO confirms the start date for stablecoin. So Ripple, the main company that distributes XRP, recently made it clear that it wants to get into the stablecoin market. This comes at a time when interest in stablecoins, digital assets tied to traditional paper currencies like the US dollar, is growing. Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, talked about the latest rumors about when the stablecoin would launch. He made it clear that a full launch is not planned for June. As some people thought before, Ripple will instead give us more information in June, including the stablecoin's official name. This project shows that Ripple wants to improve the XRP ledger and make the financial system more stable and easy to use. The new stablecoin will be backed by US dollar reserves and other assets similar to them, making it directly compete with well-known companies like Tether and USD Coin. Ripple's stablecoin will stand out because it will focus on following the rules set by regulators. By continuing to work with governing bodies, Ripple hopes to make the stablecoin a reliable digital asset that could work like a digital currency issued by a central bank. This focus on compliance is especially interesting because Ripple is currently in court with the US Securities and Exchange Commission over how to classify XRP. However, Ripple's history of working with financial institutions gives its efforts to make a stablecoin that is easy for regulators to understand more weight. XRP's role in Ripple's environment will not change. Schwartz's announcement also made it clear what role XRP will play with the new stablecoin. He said again that XRP is an important part of Ripple's plan for global payments. XRP's unique features make it a good choice for certain business needs. It has fast settlement times and low transaction fees. Ripple wants to offer a full range of financial solutions by using XRP's strengths while also being aware of its weaknesses. Looking ahead, Ripple's move into the stablecoin market is a smart move that will make the XRP system more useful and adapt to the changing needs of the financial sector. Ripple is dedicated to creating a strong and easy-to-use payment system, as shown by their attention on following rules and the continued significance of XRP in the ecosystem. More information is due in June. The next few months will be very important for Ripple as it tries to make its stablecoin a major player in the world of digital assets, which is always growing. The trading volume is going down, and the price is likely to go up as the trading volume goes up. Hopefully we will get better soon. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Peace, and see you in the next one.